Morning children, how are you? Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 6 polygon. So let us see what is polygon. A polygon is a closed plane shape bounded by three or more line segment is called polygon. For example, triangle, it is made up of three line segment, so it is called triangle. Quadrilateral is made up of four line segment. Pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nanogon, decagon, etc. These are polygons. They are made up of a line segment. That's why it is a polygon. Now we will see types of polygon. There are two types of polygon: convex polygon and concave polygon. So first we will see convex polygon. If all the interior angles are less than 180 degree, the polygon is said to be convex. So here you will see that angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, angle E and angle F, all the interior angles are less than 180 degree. That's why it is called convex polygon. Now concave polygon. If one or more of the interior angle of a polygon is greater than 180 degree, the polygon is said to be concave polygon. For example, here ABCDE is a pentagon, and if you will see carefully, this angle E, the interior angle of this E is more than 180 degree. That's why it is called concave polygon. Now we will see the properties of a polygon. The first property is the sum of the interior angle of a polygon with n side is equal to, this is the formula for finding out the sum of interior angle, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Remember this formula. Now we will start exercise 6. The first question of this exercise is find the sum of the interior angle of a polygon of a part 4 sides. So let us see. Here n will be 4. N is equal to 4 because n is the side. Number of side is 4. So the formula to find out the sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So in place of n we will put it 4. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is 2 into 180 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. Now second part is 7 sides. So here in place of n we will write down 7. So n minus 2 into 180 degree. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 180 degree. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 into 180. So 180 into 5 is equal to 900 degree. Now next question is find the magnitude of each of the interior angle of a regular pentagon. So as we know, pentagon means the closed curve figure which are made up of 5 line segments. So in place of n we will put it 5 because pentagon is made up of 5 line segment. So according to the formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree is the sum of interior angle of a polygon, but we have to find out each angle, means one angle is equal to how much. So to find out each angle we have to divide the sum of interior angle by number of sides. So n minus 2 into 180 degree upon n. So we will put it the value of n here, 5 minus 2 into 180 degree upon 5. So 5 minus 2 will be 3 into 180 degree upon 5. So 18 3s are 54. So 540 upon 5 is equal to 108 degree will be the in each interior angle. This will be the answer. Now we will see the next question. Question number 4. Find the number of side of a polygon if the sum of its interior angle is 1440 is given. So we have to find out the number of side if the sum of interior angle is given. So again we will apply the same formula, n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is equal to sum of all the interior angle of a polygon, that is given 1440. Now let us multiply this 180 by both these numbers. So 180 into n is equal to 180n minus 180 to the 360 equals to 1440. Now 180n equals to, we will transpose this 360 to the right hand side, then it will become plus 360. So 180n is equal to 1440 plus 360 is equal to 1800. So n is equal to 1800 upon this 120 will be the denominator. Now this 0 0 will cancel out, 18 10 are 180. So n is equal to 10. It means number of side is equal to 10. Next question is The interior angle of a polygon are in the ratio 1 ratio 3 ratio 5 ratio 7 ratio 9 ratio 11. Then find the largest angle. Let us see how we'll solve this question. Sum of interior angle of six sided. How many sides are there? It is given angles are there 1 2 3 4 5 6. It means it has six sides. So six side is known as hexagon. So what is the formula for the sum of all the interior angle of a hexagon? Here we will write down n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is the number of sides. So here in place of n we will write down 6 because there are 6 angles. So 6 minus 2, 6 sides are there. So here we will write down 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 6 minus 2 is equal to 4 into 180 degree. So 18 for the 720. Now let the interior angle, this is the sum of interior angle of hexagon. All the interior sum of all the angles of a hexagon is equal to 720. Now we will write down, let the interior angle be 1x, 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x and 11x. Here we are not aware of what is the actual value of these angles. It is given in the ratio. So we will assume them as 1x, 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x and 11x. Now according to question, 1x plus 3x plus 5x plus 7x plus 9x plus 11x is equal to how much? This much, 720. Now if you will add all these numbers, you will get it 36x is equal to 720. So x is equal to 720. This will divided by 36. So x is equal to 720 upon 36. So 36 20 is a 720. Therefore x is equal to 20. Now angles are, we have assumed that 1x, the first angle is 1x. So in place of x we will write down 20. So 1 into 20 is equal to 20 degree. Second angle is 3x, that is 3 into 20 is equal to 60 degree. Third angle is 5x, it means 5 into 20 that is equal to 100. 7x is equal to 7 into 20 that is equal to 140. 9x is equal to 9 into 20. In place of x we will write down 20 because the value of x we already got it, that value is 20. X is equal to 20. So 9 into 20 is equal to 180. 11x is equal to 11 into 20 is equal to 220. Therefore the largest angle is equal to 220 degree. Now we will see the next question number 6. Find the value of x. This figure is given and their interior angles are given. We have to find out the value of x. See, how many sides of this figure have? There are 4 sides. It means it is a quadrilateral. So sum of interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, where n is equal to 4 means number of side is equal to 4. So 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, that is equal to 2 into 180, which is equal to 360 degree. Now here we will write down all the interior angles. X plus 25 degree plus x minus 35 plus x minus 20 plus x minus 10. Sum of all the interior angle of this polygon is equal to 360. So let us add all these numbers. 1x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x. 4x plus 25. Now how many negative numbers are there? Minus 35, minus 20, minus 55, minus 55 and minus 10, that is equal to minus 65 equals to 360. So 4x minus here plus 25 minus 65 is equal to minus 40 equals to 360. So 4x is equal to, we will transpose this 40 to this side. So 360 plus 40. So 4x is equal to 400. So x is equal to 400 upon 4, that is equal to 100. Therefore the value of x is equal to 100. This will be our answer. So dear students, today this much only. We'll see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.